Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add multiple locations on Google Maps on your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Google Maps on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, set the map accordingly to your multiple locations. Tap on the first location that you want to add and then tap on Save at the bottom. A new page will open with some preset lists. Let's suppose you want to add multiple locations for a travel plan. Tap on the travel list and then tap in the note box. Here you can add a note related to your plan and then tap on done to add it. Now let's select another location. Tap on the target location and again tap on save. Select the list where you added the previous location and tap on done. Now in the same way, you can add multiple locations to the list and all the locations will be visible when you open the map. And that's it. This is how you can add multiple locations in Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.